I'm going to share with you the exact strategy and system I use that gets me leads, customers, clients, more importantly, conversions for my business month after month, quarter after quarter, year after year. And you don't have to pay for ads. You don't have to go spam people and seek out clients and try to sell them, pitch them, and send them RFPs. And all you need is the thing that you carry around with you every single day and night, your phone. Woo! I promise you, if you watch this entire video and actually implement this strategy, you're never, ever going to have to worry about your business again. How's it going, Nez Nation? It's your boy Nez here, and I am going to share with you the best strategies to getting leads and becoming a lead generation machine. And this works for not only just if you're a small business, medium business, coach, consultant. This actually works for you content creators, for your content business. If you want to get more views, you want to get more traction with your content, you want to sell and get more views and eyeballs on your digital products, physical products, whatever. This works for everybody. But the first thing you got to do, I'm going to jump right into it right now. You have to implement video. Remember at the beginning of the video how I said all you need is your phone? Listen to this. Video, especially video using my phone, has absolutely transformed my entire business. I cannot tell you how many times a client, a customer, a viewer has said, you know what, Nez? I researched, I got 5 different proposals from other consultants, other coaches, whatever. I checked all around, I researched. What sold me on you was not my credentials, which I've got a lot of those, not my degrees, which I've got a lot of those, sadly. It's not how many years experience, it was your video that sold me on you. You don't believe me, the power of video? Lou, roll the data. I got data. Roll the data, Lou. This out. 85% of US internet users, that's not even counting the world, watched online video content monthly on their devices. Viewers claim they retain 95% of a message when obtained via a video. Social video generates 1,200% more shares than text and image content combined. And 90% of customers report that product videos help them make purchasing decisions. So the proof is in the pudding, okay? Look at the data. It will totally back up everything that I'm saying. So I'm going to share with you what you need to do. It's very simple. It's going to take a lot of work, but the process, the system, the idea is super, super simple, and it works like a charm. What you're going to do is you are going to shoot vertical videos. It can be horizontal as well, but I think I want to make this as easy as possible because I don't want you to think you need lighting and expensive cameras, expensive microphones. Just use what you have. I want you to create videos and post them on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, and Facebook Reels. So you've got a lot of destinations that you can get more bang for your buck for that one video. And here's what I want you to post. I want you to write down the top 10, 20 most frequently asked questions you get about your business or your industry. For example, if you're a real estate agent, one of the top questions might be from a potential client or a current client or a prospective client is, when is the optimal time? When is the right time for me to put my home on the market so I can get the best price? You do one vertical video, or you can do a horizontal video if you want to. You do one vertical video, you look in the camera, and I want you to just simply answer that question in a natural, real way. I don't want you to sell. I don't want you to pitch. I'll tell you what to do at the end of the video. This works, guys. This system absolutely works. I want you to answer that question, okay? So I'm going to do like kind of off the cuff, just for example. I've been doing this a very, very long time. Do not judge. I'm the best, okay? Don't judge and don't compare yourself to me. But literally what I want you to do is something like this. For example, I'm just doing this off the cuff. Hey, my name's Tom here. I am your real estate agent here in the, let's pick an area. I don't know, San Francisco area. That's a bad area. If you're wondering when is the perfect time to put your home on the market, you see how I start with the question. Start with the question. Make it about the viewer, not about yourself. You always want to make it about them first. The first couple of seconds are critical with any video with ensnaring attention, because you and I, we are in the attention business. There's a lot of people creating content. There's a lot of people just like you implementing video marketing, but they're not doing it the way that I'm going to tell you to do it. Here's 5 things you can do, 5 things you need to consider when you want to put your home on the market to help you make a better decision. You do that ad infinitum, and you put those out on all the platforms. Give it a little bit of time, and I want you to do more than 20. I want you to do like 100 videos, but just start with 10 to 20 and then watch what happens. You'll be amazed. It will blow you away. The amount of engagement, the amount of questions, the amount of followers, the amount of people asking, wow, that's saying, hey man, that was really, really helpful. Watch what happens. So at the end of your video, this is what you're going to say, because I'm telling you right now, the biggest mistake that businesses make when they're doing video content on social is they don't make the viewer, they don't make it apparent that they are available to hire. You got to let people know that you're available, you're accessible. Hey, you can hire me, pay me money, I will help you. If you need help listing your house, if you need help figuring out when to put your home on the market, etc., I'm your person, right? If you need help with your fitness, and you need help with your cooking, you need help with your remodel, you need help with, whatever it is, your business, your accounting, your financial issues, whatever that is, you need to make people know. So this is what's called value-driven content marketing. You start with answering these questions. You start with delivering the value. Then at the end of the video, you let people know, hey, if you got really value from this is what you're going to say. You're going to say this exactly. This is what I want you to say. Hey, if you got a lot out of this video, I'd really, really appreciate it if you gave us a thumbs up, if you gave us a follow, or subscribe. Also, if you're looking for somebody to help you with your fitness, real estate, accounting, whatever it is, whatever you do. If you're looking for help for XYZ, place your business in there. Hey, I can always be reached. I'll leave my information in the description or in the comment, and feel free to contact me. Always do that at the end of every video. Let people know that you're available for hire. We're living in the greatest era of all time right now. When I was growing up, I was born way before the internet. We had to do, snail mail marketing. We had to put ads in newspapers. I'm really dating myself here. We had to do door-to-door telemarketing. It was awful. You now have this unbelievable power with this thing. You now have this unbelievable power to reach the world sitting in your bathroom. It's amazing. I don't want you to do your videos in the bathroom. I'm just saying. And then watch what happens as you build out your content, as you get better and better in front of the camera, as you engage with the people engaging with you. You're going to find out there's other questions, there's other challenges that you never knew, and that's going to give you content ideas. You always got to make it about your ideal customer, your ideal avatar, your ideal viewer first. Then you ask, hey, then you let them know, hey, you can purchase this, you can hire me, you can yada, 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 whatever it is. Start with value-driven content first. Then don't be afraid to let people know you're available to be hired. This works like a charm. If you do this in perpetuity, if you do this month after month, year after year, as I've been doing this for decades, and it works like a charm, I hardly ever do paid traffic. Do this, and I promise you, you will see results. And it will get you better and better at communicating to your ideal customer, to your ideal viewer, to your ideal client. Now, I need to practice what I preach, right? What kind of a content creator am I? What kind of a business owner am I if I don't practice what I preach? So here you go. So if you are looking for strategies, if you're looking for content, if you're looking for ways to help yourself get leads and clients, you want to work with me personally, I'll leave links in the description, in the pinned comment. Feel free. Also, don't forget, we put out videos every single week helping you to monetize your skills, creativity, and experience in the creator economy, helping you grow your business, helping you stress less and earn more money. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow. I hope you got a lot out of this. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I respond to all the comments personally. I'll see you soon.